Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Dewott from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw nose below the intersection. Draw mouth. Draw hair on the head. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw whiskers. Draw whiskers. Draw an ellipse for the body. Connect the head and ellipse. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw paws. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Detail the body. Detail the body. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.